date that turned the fortunes for Indian cricket. It was the date when Indian Premier League, which many believed to be a failure back then, just like its predecessors, Indian Cricket League, was kicked off. To everyone's surprise, the move to launch IPL was later proved to be a masterstroke by then BCCI Vice President Lalit Modi, who led the initiative. Let's just don't get into that much history. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, two primary teams of IPL history will battle it out for the crown jewel, which doesn't have their names engraved, but that will change. But let's just catch a glance at the IPL 2025 finalists: Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Punjab Kings. In 2008, it was RCB who played Kolkata Knight Riders in the inaugural match at their home, M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru. Interestingly, the Punjab team were in action against Chennai Super Kings the very next day. Result? Well, they both had suffered defeats. It's been more than 17 years. IPL has seen 15 teams till date, including the now defunct Deccan Chargers, Pune Warriors India, Kochi Tuskers Kerala, Gujarat Lions and rising Pune Super Giants. Among active teams since the inception of IPL, only 3 teams, RCB, PBKS and Delhi Capitals, have not won the title. What's more heartbreaking for the players, fans as well as the team owners of these teams, that Gujarat Titans emerged champions in 2022, the year they joined IPL as one of the 2 new franchises. RCB had been part of 3 finals, 2009, 2011 and 2016, but couldn't taste success. And who would know it better what it feels like losing a final than Virat Kohli, the only player who has been an integral part of a single franchise, RCB, since 2008. Now, under the leadership of a young Rajat Patidar, he would be keen to break the curse in the 18th season of IPL. And a fun fact, Virat's jersey number is 18. Who knows, this might be the year for RCB and most importantly for King Kohli to erase a heartbreaking history. Their opposition on the day, Punjab Kings, will definitely pose a great threat to their title hope, with a charismatic leader like Shreyas Iyer, who led Mumbai to multiple domestic titles, who led KKR to their 3rd IPL title in 2024, and who led Delhi Capitals to a final in 2020. So he is definitely not new to playing or captaining a team in finals, and the form they are in at the moment, especially after knocking 5 times champions Mumbai Indians in qualifier 2, their confidence would be sky high. The Punjab franchise has featured in the final only once, in 2014, so it would be a wonderful chance for them to grab the silverware. In terms of head-to-head, the teams last faced off in qualifier 1 and it was RCB who crushed PBKS. But don't take things for granted. It will be completely a new day, a new venue, a new pitch and with pressure of highest level. No matter who came out on top, whoever resigned supreme, the bottom line is IPL will have a new champion. So, come Tuesday, IPL awaits a new chapter, a new opportunity, a redemption for glory. The brave will take to the pitch as warriors to battle. The hunger, the determination to push limits, to fight, to score, to dismiss, to conquer the unconquered, and to celebrate. And finally, hold the trophy aloft.